Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little short tutorial on these mini twists. I haven't had these in my hair in a long time, but surprisingly it didn't take that long. It took me about like 2 hours. So I am starting off on blow dried hair. This is from an old hairstyle, and I'm just going to go in with my Long and Luxe by As I Am. And this is their Grow Hair Oil, and I just recently purchased this and I love it. It really moisturizes my scalp. And I'm just going to apply that to mainly the ends of my hair and then run it all the way throughout. Just massage it on my scalp. Next, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just do a part, and then I'm just going to section off that other side and just put it away into a bun. After I do that, I'm just going to be doing finger parting, and I'm just going to take a medium-sized amount of hair and I'm just gonna apply some of my curls. This is their Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream, and I'm just gonna apply like a little bit to this section. I don't want my hair to revert back to curly. I still want to retain some length, so that's why I'm only going to apply a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it all the way down to the end. Now, I actually am going to leave a little bit room at the end just because I do want to end up wetting the ends so they can be curly. So that's why you guys are going to see me not twisting all the way down. And a little disclaimer, this was at like 11 p.m. so if I look tired, that's why. Sorry guys, I just decided to do this out of the blue. Okay, so I'm just going to be repeating these same steps for the rest of my head. I'm going to go ahead and part and then do some finger parts. You can either do small sections, medium sections, or large sections, depending on the type of look that you want to get. And then I'm just going to twist all the way down. Now, you're not going to see me applying the product, but I am dipping my finger and applying a subtle amount of a product to my hair before I start twisting. So do not forget to apply the product to your hair. And then yeah, that's basically it. You're just gonna repeat these steps all over your head until you have a head full of twists.
Work at Waffle House. Yeah. She got a beauty mark on the left side of her mouth. With the Georgia Tech. Yep. Work with TBS. Yep. Man, I can't believe this shit. Damn.
Tell me what's wrong, dog. What the hell you damn about? I'm your homie, so just say what's on your mind.
Man, I didn't know that you were talking about her.
So man, you telling me you know her?
Do I know her like a passion rose? When you messing with the same girl.
Same girl. How could the love of my life?
Okay, so I'm done with all of the twists, and as you guys can see, the ends of my hair have been left out. So with that part, I'm going to take my spray bottle and just mist it on my ends just so it can get wet and get back curly. And then after I do that, I'm going to go in with the As I Am Grow Yogurt, and that is their leave-in. I'm just going to take that and apply it to my hair as the leave-in on the bottom of my hair just so that my ends are moisturized. And that's basically it, you guys. I almost forgot about this part, so I'm going to go in with that same oil and apply it to my ends and then massage it throughout my roots. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
She travel back to Rango, license plate say Angel, tattoo on her ankle. She making pesos, got a crib on P-Street, right on 17th Street, and I call her TT.
Wait a minute, hold on, dog. Do she got a kid?
Yep.
Work at Waffle House.
Yeah.
She got a beauty mark on the left side of her mouth.
Man.
With the Georgia Tech.
Yep.
Work with TBS.
Yep.
Man, I can't believe this shit.
Took out the mini twist that I've had in my head for like 3 days, and look at this definition though.
Airborne. She travel back to Rango, license plate say Angel, tattoo on her ankle. She making pesos, got a crib on P-Street, right on 17th Street.